Intro. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. It's Mike here from Health and Fitness 101, your go-to channel for all things health and fitness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been stirring up quite a bit of debate in the fitness world. Protein supplements. Are they really necessary or not? But before we get into it, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our weekly fitness insights. All right, let's get into it. Main content. Now, imagine you're building a house. You've got your blueprint, your tools, and your determination. But what about the bricks? You can't build a house without bricks, right? In the same way, our bodies can't build or repair tissues without protein. It's the building block of our muscles, skin, and bones. But here's where the debate comes in. Can we get enough protein from our diet alone, or do we need to supplement it? Let's break it down. The average sedentary man needs about 56 grams of protein per day, while the average sedentary woman needs about 46 grams. Now, if you're active, your protein needs increase. For example, if you're into weightlifting or high-intensity workouts, you might need up to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So, let's say you're a 70-kilogram man who lifts weights. You'd need about 112 grams of protein per day. That's equivalent to about 2 chicken breasts, 3 eggs, a cup of cottage cheese, and a cup of cooked lentils. Sounds doable, right? But here's the catch. Not everyone has the time or the appetite to consume that much protein through food alone, and that's where protein supplements come in. They're like the express lane on a highway, helping you reach your protein goals faster and more conveniently. However, it's important to remember that protein supplements are not a magic bullet. They're not going to give you muscles overnight. They're just a tool to help you meet your protein needs. And let's not forget, while protein is important, it's not the only nutrient our bodies need. We also need a balanced intake of carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, if you're relying too heavily on protein supplements and neglecting other nutrients, you might be doing more harm than good. Outro? So, are protein supplements necessary? Well, it depends on your lifestyle, your diet, and your fitness goals. If you're struggling to meet your protein needs through food alone, then yes, protein supplements can be a helpful tool. But remember, they're not a substitute for a balanced diet. All right, folks, that's it for today's topic. I hope this clears up some of the confusion around protein supplements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fitness buddies. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness insights. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and stay healthy.